Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Shopify refunds and reports to QuickBooks Online. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to your Shopify admin panel. Log into your Shopify account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Orders section in the main menu. Click on Orders to view all of your sales and refund records. Find the specific order that you want to backup to QuickBooks. Click on the order to open its details. Scroll down to the Refund section to access refund information. Take note of the refund amounts and any associated details. Next, open a new tab and log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once logged in, navigate to the Transactions section from the left-hand menu. Click on Banking to access transaction records. Select New Transaction and choose Sales Receipt or Journal Entry based on your needs. Enter the date of the refund. In the Customer field, select the appropriate customer from your Shopify order. Input the refund amount in the appropriate box. Be sure to mention any specific items that were refunded. Add a description to provide context for the transaction. Attach any relevant documents, such as screenshots or reports from Shopify, if necessary. After double-checking the information, click the Save and Close button to finalize the entry. Now return to your Shopify panel and download your reports from the Analytics section. Select the relevant report, such as sales or refund reports. Export the report in CSV format by clicking the Export button. Go back to QuickBooks Online and navigate to the Reports section. Upload the CSV file by clicking on Import to ensure your records are consistent. Confirm that all entries, including refunds, are accurately represented. Review your QuickBooks settings to ensure syncing between Shopify and QuickBooks is working smoothly. You have now completed the backup of Shopify refunds and reports to QuickBooks Online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.